Hi, I'm Dee. My variety channel is about encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a homemaker, plus YouTuber. This is a mini-series straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Not all what happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. At least, not in these vlogs.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
We're at our club. The Motley Crue, Declutter, Poison. It's gonna be nice.
Do us a big favor, yeah. Don't forget us, and we won't forget you.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Fun night. Thank you, Vegas.
Die with my own doubts.
Once we got settled back into our home, we got another booster shot as Queen G comforts Jay before getting his shot. We're crossing fingers he doesn't faint. It is raining. I love the smell of the rain. Just kidding. But yeah, we're getting the after part of the hurricane from Cabo, Mexico. It's come making its way over this way. Hoping that it doesn't rain over there at the Navajo Nation Fair for everybody.
Flea market in Las Vegas, but a lot of these booths are closed because apparently it was raining, as you saw. I mean, look at that. Woo-wee. Some pedals. Then you can hear the music playing going on. looking for?
516. You're on candid camera.
Smile, honey.
You're on candid camera.
We're on candid camera. Boop. We are downtown Summerlin. We're gonna have some lunch over at what is it called?
Full house.
Something like that. So we're gonna have some snacks and everything. Oh, it's enjoying. Ooh, I forgot to push the elevator button. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Yeah. It's like stones. Yeah. Public school. An education, art of food and beer. It's really good here.
Downtown Summerlin, where you can eat, shop, play, and enjoy the views. We were so glad they built this in our neighborhood, along with the hockey arena and their brand new ballpark just down the street from here. We love to walk around, come here to eat. A must go if you're ever in this area of West Side Las Vegas.
That cloud blocking the sun.
He's EJ.
As my dad and stepmom returned from the Navajo Nation Fair in Window Rock, Arizona, he wanted to meet us at South Point Casino for dinner. This is a favorite for most locals and rodeos in town. If you ever visit this place, make sure to check out the Benny Binion statue that once stood across his famous Horseshoe Casino way back in the day. So much history about that. True fact, he was the one that established the National Finals Rodeo and the World Series of Poker in Las Vegas.
I'm like, howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
It was our first time eating here at Don Vito's Italian Fine Dining. Now I know why my dad enjoys it. The food was delicious. We have to eat here again next time.
A Queen's wave. Yep, I'll do a Queen's.
All I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never.
Ah, now this is nice. Time spent with our family, a little downtime, a well overdue date night, attending a concert. Like, who are we? That was so not like us, but we had an amazing time. And now we're ending it with watching my weekly vlog, of course. Don't go anywhere because there's plenty of more to watch. Plus, make sure you click on this here What Happens in Las Vegas miniseries and click on that bell when you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.